Hey everyone, back here for another weekly business tip, and I think you guys have heard us talk time and time again about the importance of having a detailed and well-defined emergency response plan. And with each emergency response plan really comes a first aid kit, pretty standard, right? So this week, Dawn and Margaret have taken the time to talk about the importance of a first aid kit, some things that should go in the first aid kit, and a couple of other additional points as well. First and foremost, the most important piece to it is making sure your first aid kit is stocked and updated. One tip they had in the article was to use zip ties. Um, Zip ties are a very easy way to tell whether or not a first aid kit has been opened. If the zip tie is cut, obviously you know that that first aid kit needs to be updated and restocked. The second tip, make sure everyone knows how to use the first aid kit and all the different resources inside of the first aid kit. And one important thing that you can do is run through that in your tailgate safety meetings, have your safety committee teach everyone how to utilize the different pieces within the kit. And make sure that you're ordering extras when you're buying or ordering or purchasing extras when you're stocking your first aid kit, so that people can use some of the things in there and practice before they need to utilize them in a real life situation. The last and third one would be to make sure that the first aid kit is obviously accessible. You want to have a first aid kit in each of the vehicles that's going out to a job site. One thing they note in the weekly tip here is that if the employees are going far away from the vehicles, if the job requires them to be away from the vehicles, make sure that they're bringing the first aid kit with them. Obviously, responding in a timely manner can be a difference of life or death, especially in the tree care industry. So make sure that the first aid kit is accessible. So there you have it. Make sure it's stocked, updated, everyone knows how to use it, and that it is accessible. And then lastly, Dawn and Margaret were kind enough to put a detailed list of everything that you should have within your first aid kit down on the written tip here, so make sure you check that out. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly, and we'll try to help as best we can. Hope everyone is doing well, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.